But I don't know any of them. We don't go MC traditional marriage for East. All those Njaba, Amarako, Urodo, Aruchuku. If you don't go MC traditional marriage there, you go know it in a beat to see DJ, we get good mic. All those DJ, we say their name na DJ Snoop Dogg a dog. Can carry big red towel for neck. Traditional marriage DJ carry 16 speaker, full the whole compound. At the end, only 2 speakers they work. All those DJs then you can't that one they pay me. Waiting they pay me now when they make announcement with the mic. And their mic they different. You get one foam where then they put for the mouth. If you come out that foam, then they follow you fight. Oh. I don't know whether that foam now they adjust. So boy, give me that foam. No, put down. Not like that till the day. No remove one. Red foam, different mouth order. I did that foam. They no go see Allah you come out. Now when I come they make announcement with that mic, now when I frustrate, microphone, you they make announcement, human being, you they sound like ghost. I recall some women made they come carry their cooler of rice. I surprised when I hear myself. People, off. Rumo, koro, women, association. And they tell me, my brother, no, hold on like this, no pass here. You be native doctor. I go to tell me where I no go pass, no go here. Carry rubbish microphone and all those things. If it now all these people they do wedding, we be say you go pay for traditional marriage, give your in-laws, you can't manage the money. Now in the cost of those things, go bring DJ 15,000. And within they pay me, the DJ will still come with 3 dancers for 15,000. You never go to traditional marriage before. All those guys they be like woman, they're gonna dance like this. You know, it's a person boyfriend. You say? DJ live band, I tell you. The DJ will come there. You get one while ago now. People where they wear never even come. The girl never even bath. The DJ going to say, you're the MC now. One day, okay, with the MC. I say, yes. So I'll be doing something now. I said, I didn't see the set canopy. Say, they do this, my brother. I'll be cracking us up. I used to do this work, and I mean, leave them for you. On that, if they leave that guy with that 15,000, go do those 3 jobs. Go do dancer, do DJ. When you go, you know, say na rubbish DJ. Now when you tell them to play this new song, Sensima by Skibby, go come check in. They carry one big thing will be like wallet. They turn on like this. They can tell you so. Oh no, na yard. They don't carry that CD come. I tell you, all the traditional marriage, man. I don't go on and women from Benin, and then come the wedding. They come, they disturb you as MCs. They make you call them. They won't give their own gift. Make them they go. Driver, they wait for them outside. When I finally allow this woman to give these gifts, when I check what she give, na paka na she buy. Maybe waiting invest me say the souvenir na still paka. So she just bring red paka, collect green paka. Just come exchange the color of paka. All those poverty wedding them. All those wedding where you go to collect your balance, the groom go come tell you, say your mother-in-law don't wrap the money. The pastor go pray for the money on Sunday when they go give you your balance. But they tell you, boy, where you the rush go now? Stay with us now. On a chatter me, we don't finish wedding. They say make I stay with her now. That is where the way you go don't scatter where they finish. You can't sit down. They wait for balance. How much? 8,000. People where they wedding don't they pass. You go first sit down here. People where they decorate hall. Now they want to remove the chair cover. They will come tap you. You can't go to the next chair. They don't remove that road. They'll come meet you again. You go before you know, you don't they near people where they serve food. They come to tell you may help them carry cooler, go their car. Before you know, when you go to say you don't stay that hot, tired. And when DJ come call you to come help and carry speaker. The boy have more just carry the speaker. Now balance you they wait for. And they laugh. Because I don't hear you say we better DJ now. You get song I go tell you now, you don't get a move. Which song have you? The way on they hang this thing like POP. This one they hang for neck, correct DJs them. But ladies and gentlemen, this is our comedy what they do. I like them because it don't really elevate poverty from many of us. Because poverty bad. Poverty. When I know say poverty bad, now one day for bank manager, they merge 3 guys. So they use one bank account. 3 guys. I say, what thing happen? They say, no. Say the other 2. Say then they waste the account. Say from year to year, nothing they enter the account. So make 3 of them they manage one. They can't give them one ATM. and one person go dey hold am. So if this person dey expect money, he go chat the other two people for WhatsApp group. Come tell them say my father go send 4,000 today. Then go collect the ATM from who hold am. That's how bad poverty is. The first day when I give my papa 100,000, what I make for comedy, I was shocked. My father called me, brother. I said, that dinner me. He said, no worry. What you do for me? Now only brother if you do it for brother. You understand? Now we don't make money for comedy. If I visit my family house, and they serve me food with my father plate. If they begin give you food with your papa plate, no say you don't make them. You have made it in life, my brother. I don't know why girls no come date this crowd. It can't be like seminar. You know, to balance. Only this our one sister here. I bet we wanna learn this thing we wanna they do to they put body cream inside fridge. No, I'm talking only you be the girl why they see now. So I need to see another lady. We wanna learn that thing to they put cream inside fridge. I think my uncle house the other day, my uncle just come back from your house and they like chop bread. The man just come back, buy bread, enter kitchen. I see the open fridge, lights go everywhere dark. But you know, since it's not your house, you know your way around. My uncle just put hand, carry something they rub for bread. You know, say a Nivea cream. Don't use Nivea cream, chop bread. After 2 days, on your mouth, can't they bleach everywhere in tongue. That fridge is for soup and stew, not before all these things. Bros, we talk about and Mr. Patrick started now. We talk about Ron's girls, difference between Ron's girls and Ashawo. The way things don't take hard now. You know, before we go carry girl for road, pay 15,000 or 20,000 early morning. She don't do Uber. She don't go. That's Magneto in the building. Fresh out, ladies and gentlemen. One of my biggest rapper. I've been fan. Mona Noves. I've been fan. Magneto. Magneto, if I get money, I go sign you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as I talk, bro, say to carry girls, this, that. You get the kind of money you go use carry girl. Normally, 6 o'clock, they don't do Uber. They don't come up for your house. Nah. Any girl will pay 20,000 naira. Before they wake up, she don't use 3K inside, cook soup and stew for you. And when you wake up, see and say, you have not gone. She said, no. She said, she wait, make you wake up, make she wash the bed sheet. Maybe one girl then carry for Owerri. One chairman come December. Carry the girl. Just ask the girl how much. The girl say 30,000. You know price. Now he carry the girl, pay the girl 30,000. The next day, the girl and her mother come the man hotel. The man was shocked. Think on the surprise why I don't give the girl belly. Then buy Remy Martins drink with red label and black label. The man come they wonder, say, what's in do? Now the man can use the drink, they thank the man, say, my daughter says she tell you 30,000, you pay her 30,000, you know price. They will say, more can thank you for what you do for our family. Since my daughter begin to do these runs, nobody don't pay him 30,000 before. So you be our helper. So when they tell the man said, no, they 2 day Nigeria, saying just come and the girl behave well. You understand? She was calm. She didn't steal any of my properties and she was good. That's why I gave her the money. And the man said, yes, so my pikin, he get better character. Sometimes if that in good heart, they make some men go carry him, then they go pay him again. They will come pursue him for money. So they tell her, she calm down. Say very soon, God go bless this your work. Now God don't bless and through you. When they tell the man, say if he travel, say in France waiting for Nigeria, make him try recommend them. Say, my daughter do you well, Abi? The man say yes. Say, hey, I beg they give them customers, so and she they help our family. No, not be joke. Some of these ones girls they see, they train their brothers for school. Get one of my guy in a medicine they study. Insist on runs money she they use send for them. She feed day where she they work. She feed day on duty. They transfer the money to him brother. We want use by textbook. So don't they judge all these girls. No, they judge them. Some of them get saloon. Some of them, they don't open saloon, all these things. And for the young men here, make I just do this one, mic come out. For the young men with the here, I beg, maybe everywhere in the check girl, especially inside supermarkets, ShopRite, I beg. No, they need a check girl for that kind of place. One girl don't come to buy Milo and milk, where she go use go back school. The guy they try check him, the guy need to give him attention. Now the boy won't intimidate him with money. The boy can say, take whatever you want, I will pay. Get away whole basket. She drop and carry trolling. She come for the line where they put milk. She collect Odemburger, Mixi, and Pick Milk. Come this side, collect Bonvita, collect Milo, collect Ovaltine, collect Lipton. When I know say that girl won't kill that guy, now when she begin collecting, so no concern woman. Collect boxers, collect singlet, shaving powder, shaving stick, clipper. Tears when they come out for the and before I leave, our Nigerian musicians, you get some, for the DJs now, bros, they need to update too. You know, so you get some songs now when they rain again, we not they good again. For example, this, ladies and gentlemen, gossip day for town. I'm going to delete that song because how the song don't apologize. And I don't know. How the song don't apologize now, so no gossip for town again. I'm going to need to play that song. Let bygone be bygone. What do they call them? Adekunle Good. I'm single and searching. I want today to delete them. Don't marry. Man, I need to play that song again. All those songs now old. Even that one always see me say, I go shoot my shot to give me your number. This one, that one. See me using hand, they check. Now they could go cause that thing, no? Because they get a girlfriend like that. They go they sing, I'm single and searching. And they get a verse. So she go use her hand, they check boys. When they sing that song. So man, I delete them. Get another song where they're supposed to delete. And I get cause someone. I be one when this sister they sing. You know say so this girl this I think they call this girl Tenny. Man, we just do on your own. You carry all the matter within your head, go they report to them. I go tell them, see you, Luomo. Now they don't blow the man mouth. And I know go allow person main day on his own. You know, say all this joke where they put person for trouble, now in the tear. Suddenly they happy. When I go watch the video now, say, this Mr. Patrick, you must provide this boy. All the Aboros go find me come aja. Now man, king of Aboros, but all in children they are abroad. Scam. Politicians will tell you, don't see me as your leader, see me as your messenger. Okay, wait, we go analyze that. When we're small, as children, we need a like go message. True of us. The only message where they like go now, where we go thief change. Take buy biscuits. So for this man to say them be our messenger, that means they get intention to thief change, take buy biscuits. But our problem now, like say they go the errand, can't use the change, buy biscuits, we no go complain. But they won't carry the home money where you send them the errand. Then go, both your message and the biscuit, you no go see. Yeah? You can't make youth can't help you fight. We must fight. This one, that one. They arrange boys who go help you thief ballot box when your children they are abroad. Now, they always tell us that their children come out with first class for school. Their children, we always see them for internet. Say their children come out with first class. Now, if you want more go thief ballot box, bring your first son or your first daughter, make him day for front. She and Papa ballot box won't go thief. You understand? As your picking day intelligent, make him day front. Because they say picking when Papa send robbery, they get mind to break door. So if you're picking day front, all of us now will go serious. So that our balance go fit complete. Make your picking day front. So if they release bullets, anybody will first touch. Take them like that. So about the Nigerian musicians, many of them they fuck up. Then get pride. See comedians, no matter how big we dey, if you book us for show, yes, we fit dey na 2. And that 2, now for some reasons, people like still ringing with the 2, all those kind. Even basketball, they carry anybody for back travel. Go alone. One book the video now, like 15 tickets, 15 rooms, 15 bottles of Hennessy. You go provide 15 white towel. Waiting then they walk, we don't know. One person now you go check whether the hall don't full. One person now they hold flash drive. You go hold flash drive. Now you go use travel from here, go abroad. One person now they hold in phone, they do Instagram live video. One person they hold bottle water. One person, you know what I'm saying? I waiting techno, they work for Triple MG before. Before that year, way everything. All those pictures where they see na techno, they snap them. They don't know saying go let her blow. I don't do one show now. Come late. Because say won't perform now. The stage manager can't check the list. No, your time don't pass for you to perform. He can say, who remain with my own time? Don't pass to. But they can say, no, let me do techno and Mr. Spell. That guy was saying, Buhari Bono B.O. They say, that guy go end the show. You see at this live deal. That guy will be the hit. So I say, here techno. And I say, my guy, where in the make I see? And I say, no, you know if you see techno now, in the sleep. See celeb boy, if you see celeb boy, yeah, celeb boy fit talk. You know if you see techno. Then they crazy. See, Pato Rankin, that time Pato Rankin get, all those things still get money, sha. That time when win head is collect car, money everywhere, on the proud. Money they find me, eh, going up, money they, say money they call am. When everybody tired for her, nobody call am for show. No burial, no wedding, no, even children birthday, nobody call am. And he come they remind us, I'm available, I'm available. Call me, I'm available. Terry G na entire me. Call me on Nana Igbo. Call me this. When you come make mistake, call me Terry Jesus. Eh? Terry Jesus. Okay, now where your career don't die. Resurrect him now. As you be Terry Jesus. All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mopi. Thank you. I'm going to leave you here. Thank you for having me.